Let's talk about the Milwaukee Tool 18-volt leaf blower. If you have a big job to do and lots of leaves to blow, try the Milwaukee Tool 18-volt leaf blower. The first thing that hits you about the Milwaukee Tool leaf blower is its excellent power to weight ratio. So this thing is fairly lightweight compared to other comparable models. It also delivers lower noise, so it's easier on your ears and on the neighbors if you're constantly blowing leaves all the time. It's got multiple battery options, including this 8Ah 18-volt battery that'll give you about 20 to 25 minutes at high power. And speaking of power, the Milwaukee Tool has two different power settings, high and low speed, so you get two different options. When you really need to blow those leaves across your yard and into big piles, you want it set on the rabbit setting, high speed, for maximum power. If you just have a little bit of lighter dusting to do, maybe on your patio or your deck, you don't need maximum power. You can use the low setting and you'll get twice as much operating time. I absolutely love the Milwaukee Tool 18-volt leaf blower. It just handles great. I've had other 60-volt models. This 18-volt model has comparable power, a lot lighter weight, pushes the leaves and other debris the same way these bigger, heavier 60-volt models work. And the Milwaukee Tool is absolutely reliable. You hit the button, it starts up. It's got lots of battery options. You can get the 8, 12, 5, all these different battery sizes so that it's easy for you depending on what your application is. For me, the 18-volt Milwaukee Tool leaf blower rates 5 out of 5 stars for its power, its convenience, its ease of handling, its high-low setting. This thing just works. Plus, you have the versatility of having Milwaukee Tool's fuel line of 18-volt products, so you can use the same batteries on multiple things over and over again. Guys, try the Milwaukee Tool 18-volt leaf blower. You'll be happy you did. It's a great leaf blower. I absolutely love this thing. Thanks for watching.